Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to save big with Walmart promo codes and coupons for 2025. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to the popular coupon sites like Groupon or Retail Me Not, slickdeals.not. For example, you can search for Walmart promo code March 2025 and will find plenty of great deals. Like search for Walmart promo codes and you'll find plenty of them. Look for good deals. Let me show you a few options. Like here you can see this code $20 off Walmart promo code. You can also find flash offers like up to 65% off. Make sure to try out different codes to see which one works for you. Now apply the promo code. For example, if I want to use the official basic deals, I will click see code, copy the promo code and then go to Walmart. Copy the promo code and then go to Walmart official website. And then go to Walmart, add your items to the cart, and as you can see mine is not logged in now, so I'm just showing you guys, and make sure to follow the steps as I am saying you. Add your items to the cart and the promo code will be automatically applied at checkout. You can also explore deals on other coupon sites like Retail Me Not. Here you can see, I will show you Retail Me Not. These are also great websites for discounts. Now the step 4 is Walmart Plus membership. Lastly, if you shop at Walmart a lot, consider Walmart Plus. For just $98 per year, you will get perks like free delivery, gas savings and movie discounts. That's it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Meet you in the next video.